Morning, guys. So another day. I just woke up, did my thing. So you're gonna see how much I weigh. Okay, so it is 87.2. 87.2 is like well, it's higher than yesterday. So this is like 0.4 kilos higher than yesterday. It is normal, nothing to freak out. So this is the main reason why I don't recommend as well, and also I personally don't like to check my weight every day, because it kind of like gets me like mentally. So but this is completely normal. Okay, we are not doing any changes. Fluctuations happen, nothing to worry about. As for my breakfast, I'm gonna be having the same thing, literally the same thing. And I will see you guys at the gym. All right, it is pull day. I love pull days, so see you guys. All right, I'm at the gym now. As I said earlier, it's been like a few hours for me, but it's like a few seconds for you guys. It's gonna be my pull day. Okay, I constantly say it's back day because I don't really train a lot of arms, so I don't really consider it as a pullish kind of day. I mean, like, it's a lot of pull exercises obviously, but like for me it's more like a back day. We are gonna have 5 exercises today. Okay, back is a very big group of muscles, and I have a big back. I like to train my back. One of the reasons why I have a big back is because I pay enough attention to my back muscles. Okay, there are a lot less people. I don't see many of my friends yet, so it's a good thing. So we are gonna be able to done like a lot faster, I believe. We're gonna start with like chest supported T-bar rows. Okay, this is one of the exercises I like. So let's go. Yeah. So same as always, I'm doing like bunch of warm-ups especially before my first exercise. Okay, my first exercise, I think you've seen, they're like the most compound exercises there are, and I'm doing like a lot of warm-ups, and with this one I'm increasing the weight by 25 pounds like each time every set. All right. So just wanted to show you this. It's been 10 minutes and I'm literally just gonna be doing my working set now. All right, so take your time while you're doing warm-ups. Warm-ups are really important. All right, and we're gonna be doing my working sets now. We're gonna do 3 times like 15 or so. All right, we are not pushing anything extreme, no failure, nothing. All right. So we are done with T-bar rows, and now I'm gonna be doing low rolls. So this machine, you're gonna be seeing shortly. Yep, this one. Well, you're gonna see it in the video. It works amazing. I've never felt my back as much as when I'm using this. So if you don't have it, it's okay. You can do like cable rows or like any similar machine. All right. So you're gonna be doing that now. So on my first set here, I ended up doing 21 reps, and just go with how you feel like at that time. Okay, so this has been 21 for the first set. I'm sure like it's gonna be less on the second and third, obviously. We are gonna be training real delts now. I do my real delts on my pull days. Okay, so even though it's a shoulder exercise, I don't train them the same day on shoulders, which is like my push day, I would consider. Okay, so this is a pull muscle group, and I train it on pull days. It is extremely important that you actually train, like you spend some time and actually train those muscles, because that is the one that gives you that actual 3D look, okay, on your shoulders. This has been, I think, these exercises, I mean, when I started training them actually properly, were the ones that significantly improved my shoulder development and the overall look that I achieved. One thing I want to mention here, when you do, first of all, We are doing 3 sets, 15 reps, okay? And one thing I really want to say is that when you first start training these, your real delts, okay, you're not gonna feel your muscle, and that is completely fine. It takes a little bit longer, from my own experience and also the people I trained in the past. It takes a little longer for you to actually start feeling your real delts when you're training them. Okay, so you just have to be patient with this. Normally, you know, I'm not the one who keeps telling people to be patient, but training your real delts is the one that requires some patience, okay? So be patient, keep training them. Eventually, you're gonna come to a point where your muscle will be developed enough that you're gonna start feeling this mind-muscle connection that we say, that you're gonna be able to feel the muscle actually, okay? Okay, so we are done with back exercises. I was gonna do one more back exercise actually, but I don't want people to keep guessing, and I don't want to just show my own workout, okay? Because I want this series, like the 6-week out series, to be for people who can just literally just watch and then implement themselves, okay? So to be able to do that, I have to train more balanced, okay? And I'm gonna be training my biceps now, okay, guys? So I wasn't gonna do that, but this is for you, all right? We are done with biceps now. I've been watching the Smith machines because there are only 2 Smith machines here, and both of them have been occupied for like the last half an hour or so. If I can, I'm gonna try to train. All right, let me see. I think one of them, yeah. I'm gonna get the Smith machine now. We are gonna do traps, all right? Okay, so I got the Smith machine. In case you didn't have, for example, like, let's say you didn't have Smith machine, you can just do this thing with like dumbbells as well, okay? So it's not a big deal, it's just, I mean, I want to train with Smith machine, and then now it's available, so I'm gonna be using it. The angle that I'm gonna be recording this is gonna be a little bit difficult for you guys to see, okay? So I'm gonna do my first set from the other angle, and then I'm gonna switch back to my more comfortable angle for me to train, but it's not gonna be as good for you guys to see, okay? So this is gonna be Smith machine shrugs, okay? 1 arm Smith machine shrugs. I don't know if such an exercise exists, but it's something that I do. I train my traps just like I train my cals, okay? So we are gonna have minimal rest in between sets, and because we are doing 1 arm each, so we are basically just gonna continuously keep training for like 4 sets or so, okay? And like each set's gonna be about like 20-25 reps. So now I'm switching back to the comfortable position for me, okay? Okay, so we are done for the day. I did 4 sets. The first set was 25 reps, the second was 22, third was 20, and then the fourth one was 18, okay? So this is pretty much it. This has been a good workout, really. So yeah, I even got a nice pump. By the way, I've been showing like more skin today. It's because it's just too hot, okay? So I don't like hot weather, and because the weather has been getting a little bit cold here, they turned off the AC at the gym, so you know, bummers. That's why I actually wore like this, okay? So I will see you guys later for recap, right? Okay, so they're all chopped, placed in the tray. Well, one thing, you're gonna need a air fryer for this, all right? And we set it for 190 degrees, and about like 15 minutes is what I like. Celsius, okay? So for Fahrenheit, I'm gonna find it and then I'm gonna write it. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like after 15 minutes, all right? Okay, so the zucchini is ready, and this is what my one meal looks like, okay? This is not a snack or anything, this is like one meal. So I got 250 grams of mushrooms here, give or take. and 5 whole eggs. And here I have my zucchini, and also I built like 250 grams, okay? And this is what it looks like. So time for recap of today. In the morning I weighted 0.4 kilos, which is like 1 pound heavier than yesterday. And I said that it is completely fine. So I'm glad that it actually, the fluctuation happened like this soon. So you guys can actually see that this kind of stuff happens. So when I first started dieting, I told you the next day when I lost the weight, I told you that it's most likely water weight. I mean, like, this is water weight. And today is just basically gain a little bit back of that water that I lost probably, okay? So this is nothing to worry about. You need to stay consistent if such stuff happens. So tomorrow it's gonna get back to normal, somewhere around the same range, I think, because I'm not expecting to have any significant weight loss within like the first few days, okay? Most of the time, it is better to see it like you would be able to start seeing something like by the end of the week, depending on your, you know, caloric deficit, but we are gonna be able to see some difference by the end of this week. So this is what we are focusing on, okay? So these daily fluctuations, this is just to give you guys an idea like how a real diet looks like in terms of like on the scale, okay? And as for the day, I mean, we did train back, but I included biceps training for you guys. So if you're, you know, if you want to train your biceps, now you have the opportunity to do that. Tomorrow on my push day, I'm gonna actually include some triceps exercises too. So, you know, for people who like to train arms, you can go ahead and do that. Other than that, someone asked me, Shadid Khan, I think, asked me about my cardio. So my cardio currently, well, it's not the end of the day. At night, I'm gonna go for a walk again, okay? So currently I'm about like 10,000 steps a day. So this is what I'm doing on a daily basis, all right? So I'm trying to get there, like 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, whatever, okay, whatever I feel like. So this is what my cardio currently is like. As for my daily calories, it is still gonna be 2,600, and if you remember that I told you I'm gonna be doing like a little bit of a carb cycling. So today I just had my breakfast, the regular breakfast, which is like oatmeal, so that's like actual carbs. But after that, I haven't had, and I'm not planning to have any kind of carb. Okay, so it's gonna be all like vegetables, protein, and fat. So my carbs for the day will be a lot lower. And tomorrow for breakfast, I'm actually not gonna have the oatmeals. So tomorrow is gonna be more like a keto day, okay? No carbs, well, not necessarily keto, because I'm gonna be having like a little bit too much vegetables, so it's not gonna be real keto. You can call it more like paleo maybe, okay? So no carbs, it's gonna be all protein, fat, and vegetables tomorrow, all right? And no fruit either, okay? So today also there's no fruit. And that's it for the day. All right, hope you guys liked the video. If you have any comments, please feel free to write them. Tomorrow is a push day, so I love push days. It's a lot more fun. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Aside from that, well, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow on day 4, push day.